look at this kind of fish. Very OMG. Very unique. Looks like... Mura siyang tao. What's the name of this fish?
Flower horn.
Ah, flower horn. The name of fish?
Yes.
Oh. Where's the small one?
Here. Down.
Down. Oh.
Uy,
Ah, okay.
limonsito kwa sa. Limonsito sa.
Look at the face. Oy.
Talking why they are alive.
What?
He said why they are alive in the top.
Ah, so he will eat the small fish.
No.
No? So why did you separate the small fishes?
There, because you biting. Think you
Ah,
bite him.
he will bite the small fishes.
No, he not bite him. Only the small one. Can you bite him instead?
Ah, the small ones will bite him.
Yes. In
Wow.
his head.
Ah, in his head.
Yes.